2025 Cherry pickup is a next-generation truck designed for performance, durability, and modern utility. Built with a reinforced high-strength steel frame, it offers exceptional towing and payload capacity, making it ideal for both work and adventure. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a highly efficient turbocharged V6 engine, delivering outstanding horsepower and torque while maintaining fuel efficiency. A hybrid variant is also available, combining electric power with traditional combustion to enhance fuel economy and reduce emissions. The Cherry pickup's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction on any terrain, while an adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions for a smooth ride. Inside, the truck features a spacious, luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice command functionality allows drivers to access navigation, music, and communication hands-free. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle data, ensuring drivers stay informed on fuel levels, tire pressure, and engine performance. The Cherry pickup also includes premium leather seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions for maximum comfort. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and an entertainment system with individual screens. Safety is a priority, with the latest driver assistance technologies included as standard. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work together to prevent accidents. The truck's 360-degree camera system provides a complete view of the surroundings, assisting in tight parking spaces and off-road navigation. In the event of a collision, an advanced airbag system and reinforced cabin structure provide maximum protection for all occupants. For those who require versatility, the truck bed offers innovative storage solutions, including a multifunctional tailgate that opens in multiple ways for easy access. Built-in power outlets allow tools and equipment to be powered on the go, while an integrated lighting system ensures visibility in low-light conditions. A retractable tonneau cover provides security for cargo, and an available bed extender maximizes carrying capacity. The Cherry pickup also includes an optional built-in air compressor for inflating tires or powering pneumatic tools. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the Sport trim, which features a specially tuned suspension, performance brakes, and a more aggressive exterior design. Larger alloy wheels, LED lighting accents, and aerodynamic enhancements set this version apart from the standard model. An available off-road package includes skid plates, all-terrain tires, and an upgraded suspension for tackling rough trails with confidence. The truck's drive mode selector allows customization of performance settings including Eco, Sport, Tow, and Off-road modes, ensuring optimal driving characteristics in any situation. Technology extends beyond the cabin, with the Cherry pickup offering remote start, keyless entry, and a smartphone app that allows owners to monitor and control various vehicle functions from anywhere. Over-the-air software updates keep the system up to date, ensuring continuous improvements in performance and functionality. Advanced connectivity features include a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB devices powered on the go. Customization options allow buyers to tailor the truck to their specific needs. Various trim levels, paint colors, and interior finishes provide a range of aesthetic choices, while optional accessories like roof racks, bed organizers, and towing packages enhance practicality. The Cherry pickup is designed to cater to a diverse range of drivers, from professionals needing a reliable workhorse to families seeking a comfortable and capable vehicle for weekend getaways. Environmental considerations have also been factored into the design, with sustainable materials used in interior components and improved aerodynamics to reduce fuel consumption. The hybrid model in particular emphasizes efficiency, with regenerative braking and an electric drive mode for short-distance travel. For those looking towards the future, an all-electric variant is rumored to be in development, potentially offering zero-emission capability without sacrificing performance. The 2025 Cherry pickup stands out in the competitive truck market by combining strength, intelligence, and innovation. With its blend of rugged capability, modern technology, and refined comfort, it offers a well-rounded package for drivers who demand more from their vehicle. Whether hauling heavy loads, exploring off-road trails, or simply commuting in style, this truck is built to exceed expectations and set new standards for the segment.